Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to NetGod channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how you install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation with all new features and new update with Kali Linux. So if you watch this video from beginning to end, then I will definitely show that you install it. So just open Chrome browser and type kali.org. When you type this, then Kali Linux interface will appear like this one. Just put on download option and click on download option, and from here just click on installer images, which is on the right side. When you click on installer images, then this pop-up will appear. So scroll down until you see this installer images file, which is 4.2 GB approximately. So install it from here. I also install it firstly because I know it's time consuming, so I install it like this. After that we need to install VMware Workstation, which we run Kali Linux, which is a virtual machine. So install it from here. Just go to second option, up to down, website, and click on it. It opens a new window like this one. Just click on this second icon, which was up to down, and from here just scroll down until you see like this download option. So click on that download option and this will install in your system, as I also installed it previously because it also takes some time as I show you. So just click on it and open virtual machine first, like this one. So after that just open virtual machine and install it like this one. So this will take some time, so be patient. After that this will appear, so just click on first option and then click on next, use for personal. Then click on next option like this one and click on finish. When you finish it, then this pop-up will appear, VMware Workstation 17. Just click on create virtual machine, which was plus option on first. So after that press create a new virtual machine, and then from here just press on next button, which was this. So from here you must select the path, the second option ISO file, and from here just type on browser and you must select the path where you want to install Kali Linux. So from here I just go to download folder and cut the Kali Linux from here, and then go back to D drive where I want to install my Kali Linux. So I choose this folder Kali Linux and then I paste Kali Linux file here. So this will take some time because you know that it's about 4.2 GB file, so this will take some time. So it's been installing now. As you guys see that we got the file from C drive download file and paste it from here and D drive and just open from here. As you see that this is the path and then folder name, and this is the ISO file. From here we just choose Linux because we need to install Linux. So from here drop down just choose Debian 1264-bit because this is error free. So choose this file and press on next. From here you must choose again folder D drive, which we create in D drive because I want to store my Kali Linux in D drive, and it's about 80 GB free. I also show you that how you make it. So from here just go to D drive where you want, where you create Kali Linux folder. So create on, press on OK like this one. When you press on OK, so this path will appear like this. So this is the most important part. So you must as I show you that this is in this PC, in my D drive this is 80 GB free. So I also recommend you to make D, as I type 80 GB 75 GB, I allocate my Kali Linux 75 GB for smoother performance. So I just allocate 75 GB. So if your laptop or PC is 8 GB, so you must take 75 or 80 GB to Kali Linux for smoother performance. So from here just click on next option again, and this is the interface which show your device Kali Linux name, where they store its location, its path, and its size. So just here just click on finish, and your Kali Linux is now created successfully. So if you want to edit virtual machine, so just click on edit virtual machine. If you don't like, then miss it. If you want, then create and edit this virtual machine. From here we allocate it's about 4 GB for smooth performance, and the else part is OK. So after that just click on OK option. As my laptop is has 3 cores, so I'll give Kali Linux 2 cores for smoother performance. So just click on OK option and then power on this virtual machine. So first time when you open this virtual machine, this graphical installer will show you like this one. First it will take some time for installing VMware. So after that this will appear. So for first time just click on graphical install, press enter. From here this will show you another interface, press on continue. From here okay, it's American English default. Again it will show some. Now it's been detecting hardware to find installation media. Scanning installation media now. Make sure you watch my video from first to end so you don't face any errors. So it's been loaded additional components now. This will take some time. For loading components. So as components is loaded successfully, in your case it might be take some few seconds, as I previously asked you that my laptop is not so good, not very high performance, so it takes some time for installation. So from here just load installation component from installation media. So it's detecting network hardware. Now it's been done and attempting IP6 configuration now. Now it asks me to choose your name for Kali Linux, so I just make it default, which is Kali. Click on next. I also name it Kali again from here. Make sure you remember your name, full name of Kali Linux. So I just for make for easy, I just type Kali, and from here again it make default Kali, and here you must choose Kali Linux password, which you must remember in our Kali Linux password, which we need in our um next. So just type the password which you remember. So click on continue, and from here just make it default Eastern. Now it's detecting disk and other components. This will take some time again. Now it's the partition of disk time. So from here you must remember to watch it carefully. Now starting up the partition. Now so just make it guided use entire disk because it's a easy process. Don't choose any guided use entire disk or something because this is a easy process. So just make it default and press continue. From here just again press continue, and yes, we need to all files in one partition. So just press continue again. So finish partition and write changes to disk. Yes, we also need this. So just press on continue again. And from here you must choose yes, and then again press continue. Now it's install the base components and base system. This will also take some time. After installation base system, it asks you to install the software which you want in your Kali Linux. So just make it default. Don't install Genome because it's very heavy. So and your Kali Linux will be lag. So just make it default. As you see, just click on desktop, XFCE and collection, top 10, the top most popular tools and default recommended tools for hacking purposes. So just again press on continue. So this will take some time, about 30 to 20 minutes for installation all the required tools in your system. So be patient. So now it's been done, and after that click on yes and then continue. Again go back to, by pressing arrow down button, and from there click on next option, and now installation group boot loader is now being installed. Now it's finished the installation, and write changes to disk. This will take some time, and after that this is the final step. After that your Kali Linux will be started successfully. It's been done and Kali Linux is now installed in my system, just like this. So I just type Kali Linux username and password, which I used it previously like this. So it log in and our Kali Linux is now successfully installed in our system. As you guys see. As you guys see now it's successfully installed Kali Linux, all the required tools which we need to know. So that's how you install Kali Linux in your system. That's a very easy process. If you follow my step-by-step guide video, then definitely you will install Kali Linux without any error. So if you like this video, then hit the subscribe button and also share with your friends. So thanks for watching.